Hi Hadu, today we're going to draw a very nice scenery. Alright, you can see I already have a canvas here, and now I'm going to add the colors. Let's draw the mountains first. So it's a very nice sky, bright sky. Now I'm going to draw the mountain lines. Okay, so you can see the variations of the colors. The white, black, and other colors. So let's put the ash color first. Okay, the black and white combinations is usually looks good. Okay, so the skyline is pretty clear. Let's make it darker. Okay, few white shades you can see on the top of the mountains. So one side is becoming lighter and the other side is becoming darker. So the drawing of the mountains is taking pretty much time. Mhm. All right, let's put some effective colors like a white color combinations for the. All right, in the mountain skyline you can see the snow top on the white top. Okay, also this lines has a white top also here. Mm-hmm. Let's see in this part too, the white top. Okay, another white top you can see on this side. Mhm. Now we can make little bit variations in the skylines. All right. Okay, so you can see the mountain lands and a little bit white color we're going to provide here in these lines, mixing with the black color. Okay, so the mountain lands, this is almost done, you can see. All right, now we're going to put the color for the trees up here. Let's put a dark outline for the trees. Mhm. Coming up from this place. So you can see the dark lines presentations. The tree looks good. This is the bottom part of the trees. So usually it has a few tires. That's why we're going to make few color variations for the trees on each side. Another tree you can see here, just going straight up to the mountains. Okay. Another tree you can see here, which is straight here over the hills, and I'm going to draw this tree straight up here. So after completion of the drawing, you are going to see the whole flavor, which is really going to look nice. Mhm. Okay. Other trees, you can see another one here, another one here, and another one here. Then you're going to put the colors. So for the primary drawing, primary level drawing, you can see the color is looking good. We're going to do more details as the drawings progress. Lots of drawings from the field. You can see the strokes of the colors in the bottom. Looks good. Okay, so this is the primary label drawing. All right. We're going to second part of this drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.